The next generation of facilities are not simply built, they're empowered. Each new ABB-empowered plant symbolizes what's possible when innovation meets execution, with continuous improvement designed into their DNA, ready to take industries on their journey to autonomous operations. It begins with the design and construction of a fully integrated facility, a data powerhouse that will enable real-time decision-making and prescriptive maintenance with the ability to adapt and learn. That initial integrated design process is grounded in our philosophy of innovation with continuity, enabling seamless and low-risk adoption. ABB's Automation Extended Environment provides a bridge to the future. Two distinct yet securely integrated environments, the control and the digital, managed via a separation of concerns. So each can evolve independently, reducing risk and increasing agility with improved safety and efficiencies. Cutting-edge digital tools drive actionable insights across the entire operational model. And ABB's Historian houses all information linking automation and electrical events. So if a fault does occur, you know instantly if it was caused by process, power, or a field device. Similarly, when operations identify an abnormality such as excess vibration on a pump, an alarm is triggered. The operator creates the work order via an ERP integration, and maintenance is dispatched to verify and address the issue with all relevant information pushed to their on-site devices. ABB Ability Augmented Operator Suite, leveraging AI to give teams additional real-time oversight and insight with early identification of developing issues. As experienced operators retire, their previous interventions and actions are combined within the system, so new generations of operators can be seamlessly onboarded with ready access to decades of expertise, helping them make decisions confidently under pressure. Safely and securely bridging the control and digital environments and allowing you to implement on and off premises applications at the rate you want via extension packs without compromising control system integrity. Such a level of world-leading integration is made possible by unifying automation, electrical and instrumentation under a single cohesive design process, one that fully leverages digital technology and is constantly evolving for future-proof agility and cybersecurity. So you have a team with all the information they need at their fingertips, ensuring the highest level of performance and throughput across a cutting-edge facility. From constructing a well-designed and integrated facility to successful startup and steady-state operations with any service support required, ABB's integrated approach delivers unmatched value, maximizing return on investment, driving performance, safety, and sustainability. A trusted partner who can help you outrun leaner and cleaner.